Here is what's going to happen. I am not going to show you standard tips and tricks for your Galaxy Watch 6. I want to make sure you guys get the most out of your device, and interestingly enough, one of the features I will showcase to you today, most Samsung reps don't even know about that. What I do know is that you guys are super awesome and I thank you for your support. And if you don't mind, please like this video and consider subscribing if you haven't done so. Let me know in the comments below which is your favorite feature of any Galaxy Watch. I really want to compile more data to understand your usage. Thank you so much. Please take your Galaxy Watch 6, go into settings, either via the quick panel or the main menu. Go into the section that is called security and privacy. No. Before you say we've seen it all, just hold on, please. Once you enter this, scroll down to wrist detection. Now, this is turned on by default. However, when you look at the fine print here, you will see that by turning this feature off, which by the way sounds counterintuitive at first, it will fix any issues with your notifications. For example, if you have a tattoo, or in some cases you may have too much hair on your wrist, anything goes, really. Once you turn this off, you will receive your notifications regardless. Okay, this one will help you to save some battery life, but also it will make your Galaxy Watch 6 respond much faster. You will need to enable developer mode by going to About Watch, go to software information and tap on software version about 6 times. Voila, it is enabled. You may have done this before, so skip this part if you've done this already. Go back to your main menu. Go into developer options, and here with One UI 5 you will see that you will have loads of options. Scroll down all the way to window, transition and animator scale. That is important here. Please go into each of those options, reduce your animations to 0.5. By default, it is 1. You can also turn it off, but I would suggest to go to 0.5. Once you have reduced the animation scale for each of those sections, you will notice a difference right away. Give it a try. If you are in danger, the following option will automatically notify you on your Galaxy Watch 6 as long as your government supports this. So hear me out. Go into settings and go into notifications. Yes, I'm sure by now everyone knows this section here. However, please scroll down to advanced settings. Go in here, scroll all the way down again, and you will find wireless emergency alerts. Once you go in here, you have the option to toggle on and off alerts you would like to receive, like if there's imminent danger around you, such as danger to your property, your life, anything that could be a threat to you can be turned on here. You can also customize the way you would like to receive these alerts. All right here. As far as I know, it is only available for the LTE version as of today. Let me know if this was useful to you so I can create more videos that are like that. Thank you for watching. I miss you already. Peace out.